I think we got it from the wrong foot, let's start over. I ain't had a wink since last October. Spring's up next, but it's still cold shoulders. Off-white kicks in an all-black Rover.
Live your life, all I'm living through is mine. My Ranger ain't a Rover yet, but fuck it, man, it drives. I'm glad I never listened when they told me get a job. I'd rather put the mic inside a fucking double wide. If you got opinions, you can keep that shit. Losing faith in people I believe in less. Yeah, no sir, I ain't let the dream go yet. Old word, you know how the feedback gets. What a week, second guessing people, second guessing me. 7 sessions, second guessing, put that album on repeat. Lot of beats, lot of tweaks, lot of shit I should release. In the east, when it freeze, ice when I bleed.
I think we got it from the wrong foot, let's start over. I ain't had a wink since last October. Spring's up next, but it's still cold shoulders. Off-white kicks in an all-black Rover. All-black Rover, all-black Rover, all-black Rover, all-black Rover, all-black Rover, all-black Rover.
Yeah, let's start over. I try too hard to win your heart sober. It's easy faded, but it's hard sober. One day you look up in the raw, nowhere. Yeah, but look at how far that we took it from back in the parking lot, eating a double with cheese. Double the flow to double the fees. I put all the work in and nobody sees. A friend wanted 2 minutes, double the V. She falling like autumn and don't wanna leave. I give you my all and they giving me grief. I double the cover to give me relief.
I think we got it from the wrong foot, let's start over. I ain't had a wink since last October. Spring's up next, but it's still cold shoulders. Off-white kicks in an all-black Rover. All-black Rover, all-black Rover.